is a pivot table we can get rid of. So question C, gambling premises. Here they are. This is all of them. Let's remove the filter. Okay, so again, we have to go to view and freeze if we don't want to lose the top column, top row. Build a pivot table to show the number of gambling sites by city. Okay. All right, these are the cities. So pivot table. All right, insert pivot table. Okay, so number of gambling sites by city. These are not really cities, they're like areas. So we're going to put city into rows, and we've got this huge list. Okay. Filter to cities with a CF postcode. So we're going to use the postcode in the filter, and we're going to say filter by condition. Filter by condition so that it begins with, text starts with, there we go. Text starts with, and we're going to put in CF for the postcodes. There we go. So those now suddenly our number of cities has reduced. Filter by premises activity to only show betting shops. So this is this column, premises activity, which we can put into filters and say just show these are the different things that you can get in that column. You know what? Get rid of all of them and just give us betting shop. Okay. Now, what cities have 4 betting shops? Okay, so what we need now, we need some values. It doesn't really matter which column we put in because we're just going to count how many rows there are that meet our criteria. So let's just put account name in, and it will count up how many there are, for example, in Cardiff. Then we're going to sort by, again, not by the city, but by the count. We'll get rid of the totals. And again, in descending order. So, okay, what cities have 4 betting shops? Here we are. Porth and Caerphilly. There we go, that's the answer to that. Use a pivot table to find the 3 most common betting shops in the CF area. Okay, so here we still want betting shops, we still want CF, but we don't want to look at cities anymore. We want to look at I think account name is the name of the, we get rid of the totals. Account name is the column that has the name of the companies. So the 3 most common betting shops, we're going to sort by count in descending order. So there we go, it's these 3. Ladbrokes, Dunn Brothers, and William Hill. Build a bar chart of the 8 betting shop chains in the CF area. So we've got 8 here apparently. If I select, no. Yes, 8. Okay. So we're going to rename this, I think. I'll just call it betting shop. Yeah, no, this is what we need to call betting shop. Betting shop and number. Okay, and this time I'm just going to copy it rather than download it as a CSV. We'll go to data wrapper, we'll paste in the data. And what are we building? A bar chart, or I think what they call a column chart. That looks okay. Now, it's not going to be a great column chart because it's got a massive gap. Yeah, but it shows us. Now, it would have been nice to change the names. Can we do that? Ladbrokes, Dunn Brothers. Now, this I should have done before putting it in here. Let's just call it Holbrook. I don't know if we can do that. Power Leisure and Bonanza Leisure. What do I do with these people? cell. Okay. Okay, there we go. And then we need to fill in all the various parts. There might be a case, I don't know who these people are, Richard Dean Phillips and so on, or I don't know who these are, so there might be a case for annotating text annotation. So here I'm going to click and drag and see what happens. This chain is ... And so now we have a little annotation over here if we want to say something that might be useful. Okay, there we go. That's question C done.